How to change name on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your name on Remitly. Changing your name on Remitly is essential if you want to or if you need to update your recipient details accurately. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the Remitly logo by the top left corner, and then you can see some tabs such as send money, transfer history, refer friends, and then by the right side of the screen, you can see the welcome address. All right, so once you can see this, just click on it. Once you click on the welcome option, amongst the options displayed, you can see settings. So click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see profile information, and the first thing that you can see there is name. So for me, I've not added my name already. That's why it is showcasing I add. But for you, if you've added your name already, by the right side of the screen here, the option that will be displayed would be edit. All right, so once you can see that, just click on it, and then a box will be displayed just like this, asking you to enter in the new name that you want to change it to. Click on save, and then just like that, the name would be changed. All right, so this is very, very essential, so ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.